Hey, what's up, Rich? Good afternoon. This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. I had reached out to you in the middle of last week. I was going to send you just a real quick video highlighting some things you could do to help improve your online presence and bring some more customers in through your website. I apologize for the delay. Just got things got carried away last week, but nevertheless, I wanted to get it over to you as quick as I could. Now, if you're wondering why I'm making this video, Rich, I just find that a lot of business owners don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for themselves. And typically, the only thing that's holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. Now, when we give these attack plans out for free, though, people will still call us back and say, you know what, Peter, I like you. I'd just rather you take care of this stuff for me. So at the end of the video, if you find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and could help grow you guys' business, definitely circle back with me. I'd love to sit down and talk more about it. And if you just wanted to take this information and apply it yourself and run with it, that works fine with me too. I just want to help you guys out in any way I can. So what I want to go over, Rich, is just how to make you guys' website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to get you guys ranked locally in Google's Map Pack, okay? So just starting off real quick, just a quick review of your website. I like the look of it. It's fire and ice. That's really cool. It's like heating and cooling. That's awesome. Nice clean pictures. You guys do have content. You offer like checkpoints and stuff for what you guys do. No, so this all looks really good. Like you guys do have again content and stuff like that. You got logos, calls to action and stuff like that. So this is all really good. The most important thing is unfortunately Google isn't really concerned with how nice the website looks. Like for example, it could be horrendous looking. What they want to see is that you guys have the amount of content necessary to answer any question a consumer has. So to be considered authoritative, you need to have between 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. Because the average homepage on Google has about 1,800 words. So that alone is going to give you guys more power as well. And one thing I want to touch on too while I'm here, let me see. See, yeah, this picture is in here, and that's just saved as a random number. What you can do is go back and add more pictures, and you can actually save each of these images as a different buyer intent keyword, like Corpus Christi HVAC repair service, or heating tune-up Corpus Christi or something like that, right? You can add pictures in and actually use those as like secret spots to stuff in keywords. It'll also help you guys out, okay? Moving over to how to make your website more trustworthy. Now, I popped into a tool we use called Ahrefs. It costs us about $1,000 a month, but it just gives us really valuable data that goes in on the back end of websites and allows us to do competitor research, see what some of the bigger guys are doing right to help you guys out. So how to make your guys' website more trustworthy is is all judged on how many relevant websites you have pointing back to you, okay? Which is what we call a referring domain. Now, this ratio, we want to see a 1-to-1, so the fact that it's pretty far off, there's something not right here. If I go in, see, like these easy local to find local, like Palm Beach posts and stuff. Like, I know you guys are on the coast and stuff. So like spammy websites and stuff. Again, I don't know what each of these are, but the idea here is you want these to be relevant to your industry, right? Like for example, if you guys had a bunch of pizza companies linking back to you, you're gonna lose trust because Google knows you're not a pizza company, right? And using one of your competitors for reference, Long's Heating and Air, because they pop up first in the Google's organic search results for Corpus Christi. You can see they have 123 referring domains. See, Greater Houston HVAC, Muzu is another good one. Let's see. Yeah, so I don't know all of them, but those are really good ones. So that's the idea is you just want to all your backlinks you want to be on relevant websites to your industry. Or you're gonna lose trust. Last thing, Rich, is how to get you guys ranked locally in Google's Map Pack, right? Because statistically, people will skip these ads just because most of the times they have ad blockers, so they just don't see them in the first place. But what's getting ranked here is really simple. All you guys need to do, it's based on how many citations you have, right? All a citation is how many times your business name, phone number, and address, all spelled the same, in each place are listed in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Home Advisor, City Star, Facebook even counts as one. So literally all you need to do, same thing with the backlinks. Just go through and find the exact same directories that these guys are listed in. Add yourself to the same ones, and then if you're able to find 50 more on top of that they're not in, and that'll give you guys a chance to rank in one of these top 3 spots and catch some more traffic that way. So Yeah, Rich, that's pretty much all I got for you. I know it was a lot of information, just a quick recap. Content is king. The website format looks great. I wouldn't change anything, but you guys could benefit from having more content and more. That way, you guys have room to put more buyer intent keywords in there. Okay. Um, Backlinks probably go. It would probably wouldn't hurt you guys either to go through and maybe have your information removed on some of these websites that don't fit the bill of like business construction and stuff like that that's relevant to HVAC work. But any that you catch moving forward, make sure they're relevant to your industry. And ranking locally, just go and find yourself 50 more citations than what your competitors have. Yeah, Rich, that's pretty much all I got for you. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I'll have it over to you real shortly. If anything, I would appreciate just a line of feedback if you did find any information valuable or useful. Or if you did want to sit down and talk further about how we might be able to help you guys out, I would definitely love the opportunity to do so. My name is Peter Gilpin again with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. Again, that's 682-269-6391. Thanks so much, Rich. Have a good one.